Hello and welcome to the Kids Club Toy Collectors. I have a exciting episode for Dad because Dad wants to open this so bad. It's so cool. It's the Shadow Launcher. It's a 2-in-1 heli launching vehicle. I'm more excited because I want to do a little mini movie on this. I want to have this come into the play. We're gonna have a little battle. We're gonna have the car drive up, and then we're gonna have the helicopter take off. Then we're gonna try to get the helicopter. I think it's just gonna be a lot of fun. So if you guys stay tuned, it is gonna take me a little bit of time to do this. Marlo, Amelia, and I are going to, and Mommy are going to try to make a fun little video. We got a lot of little toys that we're gonna play with. So if you want to see more videos like this in the future, just let us know. We really want to get into making a lot of fun videos where you guys can watch them over and over, and if you like them, then you can let us know. You know, if it's something that you guys don't like, let us know too. So if you want to just keep opening up Shopkins, we'll do that. We do have fun with that. As much fun as the girls love Shopkins and they love different toys. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see here. We got this. I actually got it on sale. I bought it originally at Toys R Us. I bought it at Target. And then the other day, we have a local store called Meijer. And I bought one at Meijer for $20. How cool is this? I'm excited. So this is where the helicopter is going to go into. Don't quite understand what everything is yet, so let's take it apart. Helicopter in. Once you've got the helicopter charged, it's ready to go. So the helicopter goes in like this. Goes together. So apparently this feels weird because it feels like this should be a button. It is a button, but it doesn't click. If you can hear that. This one, and then you got your power button. Let's see, we got a little nozzle. I'm assuming that I'm gonna move this to the side, but it's stuck, it's glued. So it's forward, left, and right. Okay, let's go ahead and put the batteries inside and see what it looks like. He's a bit of a fixer-upper. Yeah, it's got a couple flaws. Peculiar something with the reindeer. Okay, enough of me singing. Probably should turn this on first. Oh, wow. That is powerful. Oh my goodness, okay. So let's go ahead and put this here. Okay, you ready? Here it goes. Oh, so cool. And what's this? Okay, so it doesn't go backwards. Let's say this flies it. Dude, this is awesome. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, we're gonna go outside and we're gonna play with Marlo and let her do it.
Almost there.
So we have the airplane, which we had charging, and then we have the car. We're gonna put the car in. So what we got? Turn it on. Alright, we'll put the car inside of the thing and close it. Oh, hold on. There we go. Okay, close it. Now put it on the ground. Put our charger back. Okay, let's step back.
I want to do it.
Okay, you do it.
How can you get the plane out?
Okay, ready? Push up. No! This is a pretty cool toy.
Put it back in.
Put it back in here. Oh, okay. We gotta shut it like this. Got Manny.
That scared me!
It scared you.
Do it again. Let's go in the grass.
Push it forward.